To get a new debit card from Chase, you will need to order a replacement card. This can be done in a few simple steps. First, you need to log in to your Chase online account or the Chase mobile app. If you do not have an online account, you can easily create one by providing the required information such as your account number and social security number. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Customer Service or Account Services section. Look for the option to order a replacement debit card. You will be asked to select a reason for requesting a new card, such as your card being lost, stolen, or damaged. Next, review your account information to ensure it is correct and up to date. This includes your name, address, and phone number. If any of this information is incorrect, you can update it at this time. After verifying your information, submit your request for a replacement debit card. Chase will review your request and mail a new debit card to you. You should receive your new card within 3 to 5 business days. It is also important to note that you can order a replacement debit card by phone or by visiting a Chase branch in person. To do this by phone, simply call the customer service number on the back of your debit card or on the Chase website. You will be asked to verify your account information and provide a reason for requesting a new card. If you are traveling or need a replacement card immediately, you can visit a Chase branch to request a new card. The bank representative will assist you with the process and provide you with a new debit card. In all cases, it is essential to report a lost or stolen debit card to Chase as soon as possible to prevent any unauthorized transactions. You can do this online, by phone, or in person at a Chase branch. By following these steps, you can easily order a replacement debit card from Chase and ensure that your account remains secure.